I've been asked a few times about packing for my trips, so here goes. I'm slovenly and disorganized, and nobody would be wise to take my advice on packing. My toolkit is comprehensive, and this magic finger is probably one of the most important. I've used it many times. There's a little sandpaper for cleaning plugs and points, a wide range of metric wrenches tailored to the sizes of bolts on the bike, a spare spark plug, and this large Moto Guzzi wrench which fits the wheel nuts and the various filler caps for the drive box, gearbox and engine oil. I have a couple of hex keys which fit things which may come loose or need to be removed. And of course, a spark plug wrench. Nobody should go too far without a spark plug wrench. All this gets rolled up and put in whatever box I've got on the back of the bike at the time. Punctures do happen, so some good tire irons are handy. And I usually carry a generator belt too. You won't get far if that breaks. Of course, a spare tube and a patch kit are invaluable, and some way of putting air back in the tire. And I usually throw in one of these bungee nets too. They're useful for holding loose clothing or anything else that doesn't fit anywhere. I may take a small tent or my four-season hammock, but I've taken to using these Nelson Riggs soft bags, which I originally bought to use on my Bergman scooter, as they're capacious and totally waterproof. I gear which sleeping bag I take to the temperatures I expect. This is a summer weight bag. Shorts, you never know, it might be warm. Socks, underwear and shirts just get thrown in a haphazard way. 3 pairs is usually enough, even for long trips. You can always wash or recycle. I almost always take thermal underwear. They add warmth to riding gear and extend the temperature range of the sleeping bag. Wherever you pack it, make sure a good rain suit is near the top. You don't want to be fishing around in the bottom of a pack with a storm approaching. My army surplus sleeping pad gets jammed in somewhere. Anyone who uses an older bike for serious travel knows the value of having a few spares along. I usually carry a spare coil, some epoxy paste, some spare bulbs and fuses, throttle and clutch cables, and various ignition parts. And these all tuck in with whatever spare fuel can I'm carrying. My cameras and sundry other stuff go into my magnetic tank bag. This bag has the GoPros, various mounts, and the bits and pieces you need to get the camera shooting in the right direction. I sometimes use a chest harness, so that goes in too, along with all the charging cables for the various cameras. I take a robust still camera and my phone for when the GoPros just won't do. And lastly, I always try to remember to pack this indispensable item. It can start the bike or a car if the battery is flat. I can use it to charge my phone and cameras, and it has a decent flashlight. There's bound to be stuff I've forgotten. I did pack my toothbrush, paste and sunscreen though. So that's about it. All there's left to do is to get on the bike and ride. If you haven't already, please subscribe and check out my motorcycle travel books on Amazon and Audible, or through my website at nickadamswriting.com. Thanks for watching.